Imagine skyrocketing your YouTube channel and earning from short videos in just 24 hours. This isn't an empty promise but a guaranteed, proven strategy that has already transformed many creators' lives. Consider a channel that gained 18 million subscribers simply by creating AI-generated storytime videos. One video alone reached 89 million views, while others achieved 87 million and 83 million views. With YouTube paying Shorts creators around 6 cents per thousand views, this channel is making over $100,000 per month in ad revenue. The best part? You don't need to show your face or even use your own voice. The process begins with crafting an engaging script effortlessly. By finding a viral video in the same niche, extracting its script using an AI transcription tool like DubDub, and rewriting it with ChatGPT, you can create fresh, engaging content that retains the appeal of the original while being entirely unique. Once the script is ready, it's stored for later use. Next, an AI voiceover brings the story to life. 11 Labs provides a variety of realistic voices, allowing you to generate a professional-sounding narration without recording anything yourself. By pasting the rewritten script into the platform, selecting an appropriate voice, and clicking Generate, the audio is ready within seconds. A strong visual identity plays a crucial role in making faceless YouTube channels successful. To create an avatar, ChatGPT helps generate a detailed prompt describing a character, which is then used in Leonardo AI to create a visually appealing image. With the right settings, realistic and high-quality avatars can be generated and later animated. DubDub's AI avatar tool breathes life into the still image by syncing it with the voiceover, creating a talking character that appears in the video. Now, the story itself needs to be transformed into a video. Instead of manually sourcing footage, AI tools simplify the process by generating entire story videos in just a few clicks. Platforms like Make It allow users to paste their AI-generated script, select a preferred animation style, and create a short video that aligns with popular content trends. Choosing a cinematic animation style ensures a high-quality output that resonates with viewers. The final step is editing and merging all the elements to create a polished, engaging video. Using CapCut, the AI-generated avatar video, story video, and voiceover are imported and aligned on the timeline. Adjustments are made to ensure proper synchronization, with the avatar appearing throughout the entire video to maintain consistency. The pacing is fine-tuned by removing unnecessary pauses and syncing visuals with the narration. To enhance engagement, background music and sound effects are added, elevating the storytelling experience. Finally, automatic captions are generated, styled, and positioned for a professional look. Once complete, the video is exported at the highest resolution. With the final product ready, maximizing reach is key. Publishing across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook increases exposure and earnings. By following this method, content creators can achieve rapid success, generating thousands of dollars in passive income while remaining completely anonymous.